be quizzing you later on. Alright, there might be some accelerations to the braking, so please hang on to loose articles. If an article does fall off the tram, please do not try to retrieve it. Remain seated, wait for us to get to our destination, and let the nearest cast member know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Sit back. Hang on tight. Driver, you're clear for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Hello everybody, on behalf of my driver and I would like to welcome you to the Magic Kingdom. Oh wow, no excitement? Alright. Well, we're heading to the Ticket Transportation Center, folks, the gateway to the Magic Kingdom. Keep in mind you guys are still half a mile away from the actual park. But do not worry, there's either the monorail, the highway in the sky, or the ferry boat that'll take you through the Seven Seas Lagoon. They both take the same amount of time, so might as well take one on the way in and one on the way out for the full Disney experience. We are having our final parade today at 3, featuring a fire-breathing dragon. We are having our fireworks at 9:20 with projections on Cinderella's castle. We are going to be open until 11, and trams are going to be running until 12:30. So keep in mind, you guys are heroes, you guys are heroes. You guys came out of Peter Pan. Peter Pan. Now here comes the quiz. You guys know what part of Peter Pan you guys are in? Alright, some of us know. Who didn't catch that or write it down? Good luck trying to find your car later on. I'm just kidding, I'll help you out. 217, 218, write it down now. Right now. 217, 218, 217, 218. Peter Pan, of course. And now, my friends, as you can see to the right, there's some silver hand railings. That is villains. We're not going to be dropping you off there. We don't like villains. You shouldn't either, because you are a hero. But up ahead where that tram is, that is the Heroes Load Zone. That is where we're going to be dropping you off and where you got to be, if you do want to get back to your car, of course. Traffic clear for dispatch. Once we come to a point of please stop, please exit to the left side of the driver. Cuando paremos completamente, por favor, salgan a la izquierda del conductor solamente. Gracias. We are almost there, my friends. Almost there. And for everybody waiting, please stay behind that yellow line. Please stay behind that yellow line. I'll let you know when it's safe to approach. Once again, please stay behind that yellow line. We are almost there, just a little bit more.